Looking for affordable Apple AirPods? These renewed Apple AirPods 2 might be the best budget option, but are they still worth buying in 2026? The AirPods 2 feature Apple's classic lightweight design with a charging case that's compact enough to fit in your pocket. They're comfortable for long listening sessions. Powered by Apple's H1 chip, pairing with iPhones is incredibly fast. You get stable Bluetooth connectivity, good call quality, and low latency for videos and everyday use. Battery life is around 5 hours on a single charge, with over 24 hours using the charging case. Since this is a renewed product, actual battery health may vary depending on the unit. Pros: great Apple ecosystem integration, lightweight design, reliable performance, and lower price than buying new. Cons: no active noise cancellation, no silicone ear tips, and renewed quality can vary. If you're an iPhone user looking for budget-friendly wireless earbuds, the Apple AirPods 2 Renewed are still a solid choice in 2026. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product link below.